Employee asks for a promotion and a salary raise, but the boss is unsure how much to give. Well, after serving various small and medium-sized businesses, we discovered that most bosses promoting their staff, giving raise and bonuses simply based on gut feeling, with no system or standard in place. In the end, it was discovered that the wrong person had been promoted or rewarded. It is very awkward to drop the position now and reverse the raise, Moreover, if the wrong employee was promoted, he or she can't perform in the entirely inappropriate position. And worse, good employees quit because they believe their accomplishments have gone unnoticed. And at this point, the boss will start to regret. Why not early on set up an effective reward system that is based on KPI and implement transparent management with metrics to measure and track staff performance and contribution? By following this approach in year 2022, one of my company in OpsNet Group has got 50% increase in revenue and more than 300% increase in profit. Come join our 90 minutes live workshop. We will show you step by step how to use DoerHRM performance reward management system to empower SME owners in setting the corporate vision and objective, executing strategy effectively and achieving goals through the use of the apps, and building a high-performing team that deliver results. In the workshop, you will learn, number 1, KPI, OKR, and metrics. You will learn how to set up a dashboard to measure how healthy is your company and tracking important milestones for best decision making. Number 2, set up a proper method and exclusively reward performing staff and the team for their successes. And number 3, setting and aligning all the goals so that silos are removed and the entire company can be united and go in one common directions. And lastly, retaining star employee by allowing everyone in the company to know the star employee contribution and see their future through the career path planning. Come join us for a 90 minutes online preview to show you how to use correct tools so that bosses can easily building high performance teamwork that deliver results. Click now to sign up.